All right, big day today. I'm leaving my hotel in Vail and heading over the first big pass, which is a little over 10,000 feet. I'm at 8,300 right now, so a big climb, but I'll have a 10-mile downhill, I think, too. So it's kind of neat. The bike path winds its way between I-70 all the way, so should be some more beautiful scenery, but probably going to be pretty tough. But trying to leave early. It's always hard leaving early, but able to get out a little earlier. It's about 7 o'clock, so I'll be on my way. Alright, getting closer, 1 mile at a time, maybe 100 feet at a time. Beautiful morning. Just had gloves on and a jacket this morning and just had to shed them. The sun has just come out over the mountains, so still a nice cool breeze in the air, so it feels good. But anyway, back to climbing. All right, I am climbing up Vail Pass on the bike path that they have here that goes along I-70. It is beautiful. As you can see behind me, that's where I came from, Vail back there. It is just gorgeous, and this bike path is basically the size of a road. It's awesome. They're doing a trail survey here that I filled out, so looking to make improvements for it. It's pretty spectacular. Can't wait. I think I'm about 8,800 feet. And I've got to go 10,300 feet to make it over the pass. And then it's 10 miles downhill. So just gorgeous. All right, I'm like 3/4 of the way up Vail Pass, and definitely not easy. It's getting to be about 6% grade, touring bike. It's a little rough, but I'm stopping frequently and just taking my sweet time and not overdoing it because I've got to last up for a week and a half here, so just enjoying the views. Getting closer and closer to the summit. Behind me, that's where I came from. At 10,100 feet. So I think there's a couple switchbacks up here, I think, looking at the map, and then it flattens out a little bit more, and then I'm downhill. Or so I believe. But gorgeous out here. Nice cool breeze too, obviously, at this high elevation. Feels good. But but still trucking along. Short of a few sections that were like 7 or 8%, most of it's been like 4 or 5 or 6, so which is doable with the gearing I have. So been pretty good. But, I'm gonna finish the rest. There's someone that's lucky and going downhill, which I plan to be doing shortly. Anyway, back to climbing. All right, I'm almost to the summit, almost to the top of Vail Pass. I got about 100 more feet in elevation, and I think about a half mile. It's just gorgeous. There's a lake behind me, and you can see the larger mountains way back there. That's where I came from. Spectacular. Definitely worth the climb. All right, I've reached the summit. Woo! Can hardly talk. Let's see what the elevation is. 10,579 feet elevation. And I started in Vail at about 8,300, so very good climb. And now it's all downhill to Frisco. So I'm gonna enjoy a nice cool breeze and coasting. Definitely worth it though. Even if you just bike up and come back down, if you're staying in Vail or something, definitely worth it. So even though there's this beautiful pass behind me that I'm about to descend, I feel kind of cheated. There's no elevation sign or anything like that to take a picture with. Yeah, definitely feel cheated. I think they need one. Alright, I made it down the major descent, and now it's flat and downhill to Frisco, where I'll stop for lunch. And that's not too far from Breckenridge. So. On my way to Breckenridge. Behind me back there is the town of Frisco, where I had lunch. So 7 miles left, almost there, and it's all bike path. So. Crazy hotel. They got this whole game room and mini golf and all kinds of stuff. Vending machines, arcade games. Crazy. We even have a Red Bull machine. Anyway, I'm trying to find something to eat and get some supplies for tomorrow. So this paid off climbing over Vail Pass today, that's for sure.